Hello everyone, welcome to VMathsSAT, the series about SAT math test. Each episode of this series includes 3 questions. After presenting each question, there will be a short period for you to solve the problem. Finally, we will provide some notes and key explanations. If you have any comments, please leave them in comments section below. This is the 4th episode, so please grab some paper and a pen to get started. This is the first question. You have 20 seconds to give your answer. If alpha and beta are the solutions to the equation absolute value of 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 5, what is the value of the absolute value of alpha minus beta? Note that with alpha, beta are 2 real numbers and beta is positive, the absolute value of alpha is equal to beta if and only if alpha is equal to beta or alpha is equal to the negative of beta. Let's take a look at our solution. We have the equation absolute value of 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 5 is equivalent to 2 times x plus 1 is equal to 5 or 2 times x plus 1 is equal to negative of 5. Further simplifying, this means x equals 2 or x equals negative of 3. Therefore, alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to negative of 3 or alpha is equal to negative of 3 and beta is equal to 2. Consequently, the absolute value of alpha minus beta is equal to the absolute value of 2 minus negative of 3, which is 5, and the answer is 5. This is the second question. You have 20 seconds to give your answer. If the mean of 700, 1200, 1600, 2000 and x is 1600, what is the value of x? Note that the mean is calculated by adding all the scores together, then dividing by the number of scores you added. Let's take a look at our solution. The mean of the 5 numbers is 1600, so we have the sum of 700, 1200, 1600, 2000, x divided by 5 is equal to 1600. Which is equivalent to saying that 5500 plus x is equal to 8000. Solving for x in this equation, we find that x is equal to 2500. Therefore, the answer is 2500. Now is the last question of this episode. You have 30 seconds to make your choice. Let x and y be real numbers that satisfy 2 times x minus 3 times y is equal to 3. Find the value of the expression 16 to the power of x divided by 64 to the power of y. Please note some important rules for working with exponents. The product of b raised to the power of m and b raised to the power of n is equal to b raised to the power of m plus n. The quotient of b raised to the power of m and b raised to the power of n is equal to b raised to the power of m minus n. The quantity b raised to the power of m, all raised to the power of n, is equal to b raised to the power of m times n. Let's take a look at our solution. The expression 16 to the power of x divided by 64 to the power of y can be simplified as 4 squared to the power of x divided by 4 cubed to the power of y. Further simplifying to 4 to the power 2 times x divided by 4 to the power 3 times y. And ultimately 4 to the power 2 times x minus 3 times y. Given that we know 2 times x minus 3 times y is equal to 3. So, the answer is 64. How do you think about this episode? Please remember to like and subscribe this channel for more useful video. See you in the next episode. Thank you so much and goodbye.
Oh my god, I think it's happening again. Sort of myself, I would be letting it end. But every time I look at those brown eyes and your smile, oh your smile, run into you on a break in the hallway, and I get nervous, you're so cute, there's no way. Say that out loud, well what now? Please don't let this be happening again.